The variable speed switch in your cordless tool performs several functions. First, it allows you to turn the tool on and off and adjust the motor speed. Second, it allows you to change the direction the motor rotates. And third, it has the contacts that the battery connects to. Over time, the switch can wear out, either not turning on or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. The battery contacts can break off or be melted by a shorted out battery. Replacing the variable speed switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing half of the drill's housing. Now I can remove the old switch from the drill. The switch pulls away from the housing and has two wires connected to it. I'll note the location of the wires and then remove them. I'll also remove the reversing lever. Now I can install the new reversing lever that came with the kit. As I install this, I need to make sure that the tab on the lever points towards the front of the drill and the slot is pointed down. Now install the new switch. First, I'll reconnect the wires. And as I install the switch into the housing, I need to make sure that I align the post on the top of the switch with the reversing lever. Place the switch into the housing, and now I'll tuck the wires out of the way. Now I can reinstall the housing. And I'll secure it with the screws. And that's how you can install a new variable speed switch in your cordless tools. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.